Okay guys, so another quick run back to the Home Depot to grab another can of ultra pure white paint by Marquis, and I'm heading back home to take on the primary bedroom. Welcome back to the channel, and for all my new subscribers, welcome to the family. I am so happy you all made that choice. It have not gone unnoticed. I've seen you all, and I'm very excited to have you all here today. Okay, in today's video, I will be taking on the primary bedroom. I will be painting the space from gray to white, and I'm going to be decorating the space for spring. So continue watching to see how it turns out. Okay, so I'm going to be giving it the second coat of paint, and then I'm going to go over to the other side to give it another second coat. Okay, so now the painting is all finished, so I'm going to be putting back the TV to the wall. The bedroom is completely painted. It's light and airy, and it's now time to decorate the space. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment, and continue watching for more. Over here, I'm using the artwork to disguise the cable box and the cords. here I'm bringing in a new addition to the room, and it's a part of my birthday gift. Here is an overview of the finished space. And to all my beautiful people, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. And as always, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.